Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and let's try this twisted ice cream. Ang Twisted Ice Cream and Cafe ay matatagpuan sa Bato Balones Street, Santa Fe, Cebu. At guys, open sila ng 8 AM hanggang 12 midnight. The cafe offers coffee, whether it's hot or cold, a pizza, and a large selection of shakes and homemade ice cream. At ayan guys, ginagawa na nila yung order naming ice cream. Super enjoy panoorin. Ganito pala nila gawin yung homemade ice cream. At nauna ko nang tikman ng ice cream kung saan kasi nagpupunta tong kasama ko. Sarap ang homemade ice cream, nakakabitin nga lang. Dapat 4 pa lang in order ko. At ayan guys, nadaanan din namin ng Coolers Delight. At kumain muna kami dito. Ayan, ang favorite ko itong Buko Cracker Float. Oops, craving satisfied. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you like this video.